Join the world of LinkedIn and explore a universe of professional opportunities. Every 2 seconds, there is somebody who is joining this leading professional networking platform either to find a new job opportunity, expand their professional network, or to acquire specialized knowledge, because of which the competition keeps increasing daily. That is why today I will be teaching you some tips and strategies that I used on my LinkedIn profile to gain up to 11,000 subscribers as of today. I am sure that these tips will definitely help you maximize the chances of getting strong, lasting and effective connections. These are as simple as clicking a few buttons and following a few tips that I'll be sharing with you guys today in this video. So let's get started. Get your first level connections. It may seem crazy what I'm telling you, but trust me, these are people that you have known for a very long time, or they are people who are your close friends and you have taken your maximum help from them already, and so they might not have anything new to offer you. I'm not asking you to remove them completely from your life, but just that don't keep them as your first option while you're looking for a new job or you're looking for some new professional help. You may be thinking that this girl has gone crazy and your best experiences have been with your first level of connections. That's fine. But a recent study conducted by Boston University revealed that 84% of its employees found their job through mutual friends or weak ties. I'm not saying that first degree connections are useless while finding a new job, just that second degree connections are more beneficial because you are increasing or expanding your professional network within LinkedIn, which will help you widen the possibilities of finding a new job or a better professional network. Keep in mind, don't abuse this option. Don't keep sending connection requests out a lot because LinkedIn can block you for this. We will speak about this in a bit. Want to know how to add a second degree connection? Here is how. Once you've identified the person you want to add to your network or connect with, all you need to do is send out a connection request. You don't need to be an expert to do that. For example, on the person's profile below the description, you will be able to find options, connect, in-mail and more. Click on the connect and start writing a personalized message to connect with the other person. Let's see an actual example. If you're looking to connect with a person for a job opportunity, you can write something like, "Hi, I saw that you're working at XYZ company and I loved your profile. And I would like to connect with you or add you to my network to know more about the industry." Connect with people for free. The LinkedIn ecosystem is almost infinite and there is a world of possibilities for you to make connections to find the right people for your company, or why not even become the right candidate for a job opportunity. Connections within LinkedIn are free, but don't abuse this option. Why? Because LinkedIn has a limitation with the number of connections you make per week. So always ensure to use them wisely. For example, you are interested in these 3 companies' job opportunities. What would you do? Would you apply to all these 3 job openings and wait for luck? No, don't waste your time like that. Instead, connect with people who work in those companies. Ask them for a referral and also look if their profile is same as yours. And only if it fits, then take a step ahead and spend a connection request on them. As I've already mentioned multiple times in my channel, referral applications get more priority compared to any normal application. So always use LinkedIn to ask for referrals. And this brings us to the last tip of this video. Connect with people from a particular group. Always keep an eye out to look for groups which interests you professionally. Say for instance, I am an automation specialist, so I am part of groups like Selenium Automation, Testing for Professionals, etc. So I am displaying a few here. So always look out for some groups that interest you. Why? Because you will find people or profiles that are same as yours, and that way it is easy to grow professionally within that network. I'm quite sure you would already have a very strong network with your school or college friends, but they might have chosen different career paths, which means they become professionally irrelevant at some point. And one other advantage of being in a particular group is that you can instantly message them even without waiting to connect with them or use the in-mail option. Once you're within the group, you can go to the members section and see that against each member's name and avatar, the message option is enabled, which means you can instantly message them and connect with them. It is a safe space to share and learn together. Don't worry if you haven't found a group that interests you. You can always create a group of your own and attract members who are interested in the same topic. There's one thing that we should never underestimate about any social media is the power of messaging. And when it comes to LinkedIn, even more so. It is not just about writing any message, but attention should be paid to its quality and clarity. Always make sure you convey your thoughts and professional intention very clearly in every message that you send out on LinkedIn. And of course, be brief and precise. So why wait? Start expanding your professional network using LinkedIn and take your career up a notch. All the best. Take care.